Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Graham just recently here on Going Guitar and now back again with no option. Saw a great song, had no option to neglect him, so let's go into this one. It will be a quick with 3 chords only. We have a capo on third, and yeah, that 3 chords are rolling through entire song with one strumming. Let's go into it, and we're gonna start with the C. Alright, so C goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord, it's a B minor bar chord. So you're gonna place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down all strings except for the last E string here in the bass. So put that finger on there, and then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th fret on G, and 3rd fret on B. And there you have the B minor, and the chord progression is set. C to E minor to B minor. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have 2 parts of this because we need to split it. So we're gonna learn it with the first chord, the C. First part of it goes down, down, clap, down, up. So we're gonna start there. So down, down, clap, down, up. Then you continue with up, down, clap, down, up. Up, down, clap, down, up. So if you put that together, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. All right, so we have the chord progression of C, 1 full round, both parts here, and then you're gonna go to E minor, play part 1, the down, down, clap, down, up, and then you shift to B minor, play part 2, up, down, clap, down, up, and that's it. So C, 1 full round, E minor part 1, B minor part 2, a couple of rounds sounds like this. And so on, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Graham, I give you no option, so subscribe to this channel, guys. This is where you learn your guitar music and have to play it. So thank you so much, and until next time, play tuned.